আচ্ছা আমরা পরে ফিরে আসি। So our subject matter is that first one is that we have to write down WH. So actually what are the WH question? So W for what and W for when, W for where, W for whom. I have written first. So who, whose, when, next one to whom, with whom. What is your name? Rabia. So what is the meaning of this W? W for what? You know what is the meaning of the what? Yes. When. What is the meaning of the when? When it is giving us the time. For example, when do you come here? When do you come here? I come at 10:30. So this is the time. Yes, I am saying about when it represents the time. Okay, next one, where. What is the meaning of the where? Yes. For example, I am asking Rabia, what is your name? Rabia. Where are you? I am in the classroom. So this is the place. Or I am saying that Rabia, where are you? I am at home. Are you saying Rabia, where are you? I am at bride's home. After 1 year or 2 years. Okay. So I am saying about what? So these are the name of the place, time, and it may be the thing. And next one, which. For example, I will take both markers, but I am saying give me the silver color marker. So which, this one. So what is the meaning of the which?
Which?
No. I will take this word, or this word, or this word. I will take any one word or any types of material. For example, in this table or in this room, fan, lights, and benches or table or chairs. Okay, and I will take any one. For example, I will take chairs. So which one will you take? The chair. No, I will take. For example, this is the marker on my hand. I am taking. So this is the meaning of the taking. So what is the meaning of the taking?
Taking my dog.
You are right. So this is the taking. But I am saying that there are many things. Okay, but which one do you need? That is marker or log or duster or chair or table. So the meaning is yes, you are right. So the meaning of which is this one. Next one is home. The meaning is home. W-H-O-M. W-H-O-M. So home, for example, I am saying that I am going to market with my brother. So whom do you go in the market? With my brother. The question is that whom? No. Go is there. For example, I am going. Okay. For example, there is a person, he is walking or he is going. That is different things. But I am saying with whom. So what is the meaning of the with? You are right. So with whom do you go there? So what is the meaning? With my brother. With my brother. No. So what is the Bangla? No. Yes. Yes. So this one is singular, this one is the plural form. You know, Rabia, what is singular and plural? Are you singular or plural? Singular. So you are along. This is one, but I have two markers. Singular or plural? Okay. So this one is the plural form. This word indicates or saying us about singular and plural both. Okay, you are right. Next one is who. What is the meaning of the who? You are right. It may be also singular and plural. Plural form?
Singular.
No, both. both side, singular and plural. For example, home, this is singular and plural also, and who is also singular and plural. All are indicating singular and plural. Okay, so it may be, okay, so this one, this one, this one, both are including in the who. And whose, and to whom, what is the meaning?